Hello and welcome back to Brothers Talk. It's just me today. I'm just doing a bit of a follow-up video from my Audi S5 walk-around video that I put on last week. Posted it into Audi Owners Club page. Seemed to get a bit of interest, mostly around the Resonator Delete modification that I put on the exhaust. A lot of people are looking to do it themselves by the sounds of it, and I don't blame them. It's a great mod, not costing a fortune, still keeping the stock look of the car, but it just gives you that extra pops and bangs and just a little bit more aggressive, how it should have sounded from the factory, in my honest opinion. But yeah, just wanted to do another video, talk about that a bit. I am going to get some clips so you can listen to it outside of the car under some load, pulling off. And what I will do, there's a few people asking sort of which resonator. So it turns out you've got sort of two resonators really. So you've got one at the back, close to the back box, and then you've got one sort of in the middle of the car. Now, when I was having it done, the exhaust garage, they said it was the sort of the middle resonator. I mean, it turns out it's probably the front resonator, really, what a lot of Audi owners call it. Now, I'll put a photo on that so you know which ones it was we took out. Now, there's a couple of options. So you can do sort of a straight pipe, cut out the resonators, put a straight pipe in there, or because it's two pipes what go down the car, you can put like an X pipe in it. I just went for the straight pipe on this, so the sounds that you'll listen to will be for the straight pipe. The garage did it themselves, so I didn't order anything online, because I have seen that you can buy the kit for it, and then you just cut out the old one, put in the new kit, and away you go. The garage where I went to, they do their own work, so they have their own pipes, they bend them, they can custom fit and custom make whatever you want. So like I say, in this case, they put straight pipes in for me, and away we go. I think I mentioned in the last video, it cost roughly around about 180, I think it was, which seems to be a typical price. My brother, do you know, we had the M140, he had the Resonator Delete done on that. I think he paid 200 quid for it. So it seems to be kind of a going rate for that kind of mod on probably most cars. But yeah, I think it's definitely worthwhile doing. I've enjoyed it. I think it sounds great on the car. Gives you that pops and bangs, a little bit more aggression. Apparently sounds brilliant outside the car as well. I haven't heard it too much because I'm typically driving it. But brothers always say it sounds good. And like I say, I will put a video on after this just to give you a feel for it outside. Hopefully it comes across as intended, so you can hear it well. I know it's always difficult to do it when you're recording it on sort of phones and that, but hopefully you'll get a good idea. So something that obviously concerns a lot of people is the droning, the potential droning. I've had no droning from the front resonator delete. Apparently, if you do the rear one, so the one closest to the back box, that is the one what's supposed to drone. That'll drone sort of under acceleration, when you get to speed, if you're on the motorway, anything like that, that one will drone. I've had no droning on this one. I mean, you can tell now, just driving along 30 mile an hour, 6 gear, just cruising in auto, no droning from this at all. The valves are open on the exhaust as well, which it's nice. It's kind of what you want. You at this kind of speed, just cruising along, you do just want a nice, comfy, smooth ride. No droning, anything like that. So yeah, I'm more than happy with it at this kind of speed. It was always under accelerating, downshifting, upshifting. where I wanted the noise, the pops and everything. So yeah, more than happy with it. So I'll insert, I'll put the photo in now so you can see the resonator in question. And now I'll cut to the videos from outside the car so you get an idea of the sound there as well. So that's it then. So like I say, quick video. Hopefully you like it. If you do, you are interested in more content, please subscribe, like, comment, much appreciated. Next video coming up will be with Dino, going car shopping. So you'll have a little look, see what we're going to look at, and hopefully you like it. That's if we buy it. See you on the next one.